Good morning. I bought a welder recently and I needed some of these magnetic holders. The more common piece you see are big 4 or 5 inch wide triangles. Harbor Freight had these on sale last month and this month for $3.99 for 4. So I got 2 packs. Figured I could use these till I found the great big ones on sale and bought some of those. But these are nice and handy. I'm not a real serious welder. I use it to fix things every now and then. So I have a feeling that this is going to work fine for me. Open them up and see what they look like out of the package. Okay, imagine that is the way that I would store them. They're actually pretty strong. Let me grab what I'm getting ready to weld and I can show you how they're going to work for that. So I want to weld these 2 pieces together. So what I would do is put these across the back. Probably use 2 of these. I use 2 of these in the back that will hold that in place while I weld the front of it. I'm going to turn it over, weld the back of it. So let's flip that over so we can see this side of it. So as you can see, that's going to work pretty well. I don't envision myself doing huge pieces of metal, so this is probably going to work fine for me. If I do something heavier or bigger, I probably would need the great big triangles, but I really think these are going to work okay. Depending on how I do this, I could probably do something like that. So since I have 4 of them, 2 on each side, I'm going to be able to weld down through here and everything should come out okay. So I think these are going to be very handy to use. I like the idea of this because otherwise, I'm sure this, I think the reason that magnets are popular with welders is this, it'll hold these together so that I can weld them. But if I had to use a clamp, I'd have to obscure part of the weld to actually get the clamp to work. So I think these are going to work good. Watch for an upcoming welding video where I try to weld this and we'll see those in action. So nice little tool, $3.99 for 4 of them. So I got 2 packs, so for $8, I've got 8 of those. I think that worked out pretty good. I'll have those around. If I ever need the longer ones, I'll go buy them. If you like the videos, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.